Hi, Afiq here. Today, we are going to conduct an experiment to test whether the height of an object from the ground affects the gravitational potential energy of the object. In this experiment, I would be using two tissue boxes, one plastic cup, one measuring tape, one ball, one duct tape, a small ball of blue tack, and a cardboard of at least 60 centimeters of length. Steps for part 1 of the experiment. Find a smooth, flat surface, then place the duct tape to indicate the starting point. Place the cup next to the duct tape. Measure 9 centimeters away from the front of the cup and place the blue tack. Place the end part of the cardboard on the blue tack to prevent it from moving. Now, place one tissue box underneath the other end of the cardboard to elevate it. Roll the ball at the 60 centimeter mark. Measure the distance traveled by the cup using the measuring tape. Note, measure from the starting point to the front of the cup. Repeat the experiment 3 times and calculate the average distance. Steps for part 2 of the experiment. Similarly, for part 2, the layout remains the same, but now add one more tissue box to the back of the cardboard to increase the height. Release the ball at the 60 cm mark. Measure the distance traveled by the cup. Repeat the experiment 3 times and calculate the average distance. Then, compare the values obtained from both parts of the experiment. From this experiment, it is observed that the ball which was dropped from the higher height causes the cup that was hit to travel a longer distance. Hence, this shows that the cup was hit with a greater force. This is because, as the ball is released from the 60 cm mark, the gravitational potential energy in the ball is converted to kinetic energy as it rolls down the ramp, and as it hits the cup, the kinetic energy is then converted to other forms of energy. In conclusion, the ball at the higher height has more gravitational potential energy. This can be further proved from the equation GPE equal mgh, where GPE is gravitational potential energy, m is mass, g is gravitational force, and h is height. This shows that the height is directly proportional to GPE. Hence, as height increases, gravitational potential energy also increases.